Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Rancilio Silvia. We're going to test the steam first and then we're going to temper for a shot. So good to purge the wand, but let's see. Nice strong steam, and now what I like to do is release some of the pressure and then pump water back into the boiler. And you can see it coming up. Let's open it up a little bit more as we feel the water coming in and see it coming out of the hot water faucet. And then at that point, we're going to just turn it off. And it's all ready at this point for our shot. Go over a little bit. This one came in, this is not the proper portafilter. This came in without a portafilter, so it's a hard one. But anyway, nice shot. At that point, you put your milk with the shot. Thank you very much for the repair. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.